It starts with the sauce. You want to make a good fresh tomato or meat sauce. I use a good fresh mozzarella, and I also add manchego. I know it's not Italian cheese, but I like the saltiness of it. And then also cottage cheese with mascarpone cheese. So one layer, you put your nice tomato sauce with either hamburger, or you can do a white sauce with chicken, like an Alfredo. In between, just do layers of fresh pasta. And using the fresh pasta is the key to it. And then you just layer that. So I put like cottage cheese on one layer, do the meat, and then the mixture of the mozzarella and the manchego. And then the next layer will have the mascarpone cheese in it. Just keep layer upon layer upon layer. Do a really thick, lots of layers is the key, with a lot of meat sauce and a lot of cheese. But the key is the sauce. I like to use a lot of basil and a lot of thyme. I like both of those. It starts with the sauce. The sauce is the best part of it.